Speaking about time and art over time, I think the next question to ask, what's on all investors' minds, is there a rule of thumb how long you should keep an art piece? How do you take that into consideration when investing in art from a term perspective?
Yeah, I think, you know what they always say about shares, it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Yes. I think the same would apply to the art market. Clearly, the longer that you participate and active in the market, the more clearly you identify trends. But you know, it is also a truth that your taste develops and changes over time. So we find that contemporary works, there's a relatively high turnover after about 5 years. Because a lot of people who acquire on a regular occasion works that are being produced now fall in love with something else, they change their homes, they go to a bigger place or a smaller place, the lighter texture or darker. And then, you know, they tend to say often, okay, this work brought me a lot of aesthetic pleasure, it was fine for now, I've outgrown it or it doesn't fit my circumstance, and I change it. But I would think it's not a great idea to try and buy an artwork and sell it within 2 to 3 years from which you have acquired it. It normally takes a lot longer. Clearly, if you hold on to art for a very long period of time, then, and it's a high quality artist, there's an excellent chance that it will increase significantly in value. And you and I chatted earlier about the Ermiston Arab priest that we have on auction tonight. And that work was sold for 52,000 Rand in 1984. And we think it will achieve in excess of 16 million Rand tonight. So 39 years later, but if that is achieved, it generated an IRR of approximately 15%. Which would have made any investor in any stock market extremely happy over that period of time. So by and large, I would say if you buy high quality and you hold it on for a decent period of time, you have a good chance of realizing a positive return. But people obviously speculate, especially on the contemporary market. We've seen last year, 2 years ago, someone like Sinker Samson's works were selling on auction for 300,000 to 400,000 Rand. It was then one auction, 2 people went crazy about the work, sold it for 3 million Rand, and the next moment, there was a new benchmark. So if you were into an artist like that, obviously you in a relatively short period of time could have capitalized on quite a significant gain, but that is the exception, not the rule.